In today's video we're going to be going for a bit of a wander up into the hills to somewhere you wouldn't really expect. We're going to the highest beach in England. Hello everybody, it's Mick from JesterBushcraft, and in today's video I'm out with the Mini Jesters and we're in the Todmorden, I can never say that, Todmorden area, and we're heading to a place called Gaddings Dam, which is quite famous in these parts for having the highest beach in England. So we're going to head up there, check it out. We've never been before, and we've also brought the little underwater metal detector because quite a few people in the summertime go swimming up here because of the beach, and you never know what you might find. So that's what we're going to do today. So that's where we've come from, down there. It's a lovely day. There's the Mini Jesters. They're not quite so mini anymore.
No, don't put that in.
Move your, what is it? Is that, test it with your, is that it?
Yeah.
No, I don't think it is, that's plastic. Go again in there. No, it's still something there. Might be quite deep, that's the usual. Just make sure, just be careful, it might be a tin can or something. Let's check again. Oh, what's that? Is that it? Put it down. Move, hang out of the way. Yeah, that's it. Bottle top. Yeah. It's a start. Right, we've just had a buzz. About there, Nathan. Hit. Right, go on. Do you want to start scraping? Is it going to be another bottle top? Or another piece of iron? Found quite a lot of iron, haven't we? Let's just have another still there. Oh, something quite big move then. Right here. Oh, it's another peg.
What is it? It's another
It's a
peg.
10 peg.
Wait, there might be more.
Oh, some chicken. Yeah, good lad. Oh, yeah, there is. Is there going to be another 10 peg?
Oh,
Oh no, what's that? Oh, it's
another 10 peg.
another 10 peg. How many is that now?
4, 5.
4 10 pegs. Let's just check again. No, 4 10 pegs. Alright, go on. Please don't be another 10 peg. We're getting sick of 10 pegs on the beach. Oh, it's looking like a
10 peg.
shielding, is it? It is as well, isn't it?
Oh,
Oh,
God's sake.
another one.
Yeah.
I think how many? That's 6, 5, 6. I'm going to add them to the pile. I think somebody's definitely been camping here. Haven't they?
So, first off, well, we found 10 peg.
Okay.
And then we started finding lots of more 10 pegs. 2,
How many?
3, 4, 5, 6.
6 10 pegs.
Found,
Keep everything down there and show us what you got there.
found 3 tin openers.
Bottle tops.
Bottle tops.
Bottle rim pull.
Found this plastic thing.
Yeah, that's like a tensioner for a gyro.
Found lots of iron.
Lots of iron, yeah.
Found a thing of a lighter.
Yeah. Keep it down there, man. Top of a lighter, yeah.
Found the ball cap.
Wine. Bottle top, yeah. 2 bottle tops.
It says Edinburgh 1801.
It's got an elephant on it.
And then we found this ring.
And what about the find of the day?
Oh, we found 1p.
Coin. Penny's got a date on it.
It says 2000.
2,000, is that it? It's a new one then.
Yeah, 2000.
Oh well, better than nothing.
Elizabeth DC.
Yeah. Better than nothing. Right, well, we're nearly back at the car now. Yeah, it's been good. It's been good to get out in the fresh air instead of being stuck at home, and kids have enjoyed it, so that's always a good thing. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, then give us a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe by hitting the subscribe button down below, and don't forget to click on that bell icon so you don't miss out on our next video. Okay, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.